Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can switch your iPhone's calculator to scientific. Since some really tough questions require the scientific calculator, and normal iPhone calculator doesn't give you the option to use scientific calculator. So in today's video we are going to show you how all that is done. We'll simply use a normal calculator. So without any further ado, simply start by opening calculator. After it's open, you can see that we have our usual calculator. So there's no special app required for this. It's all gonna be done in this calculator. So simply start by unlocking your portrait lock. And now after doing it, simply come and rotate your phone. And after doing that you can see that your calculator has automatically switched to scientific calculator. So from now on you can use the scientific tools any way you like. So as you can, we didn't even use any special app for what we just did. So all you have to from today on to rotate and scientific calculator will occur. And if you rotate back it will go back to normal. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching.